The myMid application is a constantly evolving application developed by MID's programmers. The content will most likely vary by the time you watch this video, but the icons and layout will mostly stay the same. Let's get started. Using your phone, PC, or laptop, log into your myMid account with your username and password, and I will show you the resources available to you in the application. Your frequently used links will be icons at the top, such as your MID Gmail account, Google Drive, Calendar, Help Desk, Moodle, and MidWeb. In addition to the default standard links, you may customize this area by clicking the stars next to the links you want to see from the menu all the way at the bottom of the application. Below that are featured events. Notable campus happenings will be displayed here. You can scroll horizontally to see these events chronologically. Click on the events details for more information. Underneath this section, in the light blue boxes, are class cancellations, tools for your personal use, and other success tips and resources. Scrolling back up to favorite links, I'll outline them one by one. Your MID account is a Gmail account. Before the semester begins, please check this weekly. Once you are in classes, check it on a daily basis. This is the primary way the college will contact you. For privacy and security reasons, we will not contact you at your personal email address. Google Drive is cloud-based storage. It utilizes folders, documents, spreadsheets, slides, and so forth. This is free for you to use and will allow you to be better organized and collaborate with your peers. If you have used Google Drive previously, you are already aware that your work is saved automatically. You may access anything in your drive from any device. Google Drive allows you to share work with other users, which makes it perfect for group note-taking and projects. Look up some YouTube videos about using Google Drive in college. It's also safer and more portable than saving all of your work on a thumb drive. Next is Google Calendar. This is shareable with family and friends. You can input your work schedule, classes, practice times, etc. You can also set up notifications to be reminded of events. Help Desk is the next icon. Anytime you have a technology question, we encourage you to complete a Help Desk ticket. They will respond very quickly. We want to make sure you feel supported. Let us know when you need help with tech issues so you can focus on your coursework. Moodle is Mid-Michigan College's learning management system. There's a great deal of information here, which is why we've devoted a whole video to it. Be sure to watch. MidWeb is a secure online environment that gives prospective students, current students, faculty, and employees access to a variety of data. Next, please scroll down, and I'd like to show you how you can navigate through the additional resources available to you. When classes are canceled, they will be listed here. Be sure to check this before you head to campus for the day. myMid Tools contains lots of information you'll use throughout your college career. Clicking on My Profile will take you to your contact information, as well as house your accommodations letter, if you use accommodations at Mid-Michigan College. If you wish to contact Student Accommodation Services, please use the link provided after clicking Accommodations Letter. The financial aid link will let you know what aid you received at MID and if there are any missing documents or processes you need to complete. The My Bill link gives you your tuition cost. An in-depth look at the services financial aid provides may be found in the financial aid video. After you've completed classes for the semester, you can check your grades here. Grades are usually available the week after classes end. If you plan to transfer to another college, you will be able to send your official transcripts from this link. Lastly, My Plan allows you to map out your entire academic career at MID with a list of all the classes you are required to take, arranged within semesters. You are able to edit your plan on your own or with a mentor. Support for Success includes website links for people and programs designed to assist students during their time at MID, ranging from learning services like the Math Lab and the Writing and Reading Center, to providing non-perishable items for students with food insecurities, to creating a stellar resume when you begin your career search. MID's mission is to develop knowledge and ability to empower learners and transform communities. You'll find even more resources designed to help you navigate Mid-Michigan College here. We developed myMid to be as customized to you as possible. We are constantly working to improve its features. Remember those favorite links that appear at the top of the page? You can also customize what is displayed there by clicking the stars next to the links here. Anything with a yellow star will appear in that section. As you can see, the myMid application has a wealth of information available to students. Review this video as needed to find what you are looking for, and remember, you can always contact your mentor for direction. Put MID in the palm of your hand.